During a deposition on February 9, 2025, Hunter Biden offered a detailed account of his current financial circumstances in the context of ongoing litigation with Winston Taylor, a prominent law firm seeking the recovery of approximately $17 million in unpaid legal fees. These charges stem from the firm's extensive representation of Biden in various federal criminal proceedings, congressional investigations, and defamation actions. Biden testified that he possesses no significant assets, indicating he does not own a vehicle, a mobile phone, or traditional investments such as stocks, bonds, or savings accounts. He noted the only items of potential value in his possession are paintings he created himself, the worth of which he was unable to specify. Biden attributed his financial situation to a lack of family resources, stating under oath that his relatives are not in a position to assist him and asserting, "My family doesn't have any money, and it's not their debt anyway." Once a highly compensated attorney, Biden has experienced a substantial decline in personal wealth, previously reported to have earned substantial sums during his father's tenure as vice president. Substantial evidence of high personal expenditures related to substance use and other discretionary spending has been reported in various public records and media accounts. The deposition touched upon the broader financial standing of the extended Biden family. Public reports indicate that President Joe Biden received a significant advance for a forthcoming book, and that Jill Biden, the First Lady, obtained compensation related to her own memoir. However, it has been observed that such advances, after taxes and fees, are distributed over time and may represent the last notable influx of income for the family. Given the president's health challenges and reported difficulties in securing post-presidential speaking engagements and fundraising for a presidential library. Additionally, the family reportedly faces ongoing financial obligations, particularly regarding private education costs for the president's grandchildren. Addressing the legal dispute, Hunter Biden does not contest the existence of the outstanding fees, but asserts that Winston Taylor was aware, as early as 2022, of his inability to satisfy his obligations in full. He further claims that his attorney at the time, Ab Lowell, had conveyed an understanding that billing issues could be resolved amicably. Biden also indicated that litigation strategies, including actions against IRS whistleblowers and individuals associated with the release of his personal information, were proposed by Lowell and the firm. Lowell, in his deposition, stated that he sought to raise funds for Biden's legal expenses through third-party donors and within the Democratic donor network. He described efforts to establish a legal defense fund and a tax-exempt nonprofit organization to support these expenses, and referenced conversations with Bob Bauer, a former White House counsel, regarding such strategies. Lowell expressed surprise at the firm's decision to litigate the matter, suggesting that colleagues had questioned the rationale for suing a client perceived to lack the means to pay. In related legal matters, Biden has recently obtained a judgment for defamation against Patrick Byen. However, the practicality of collecting on this award remains uncertain, with Winston Taylor seeking to access any potential proceeds through a lien. Biden is also subject to ongoing litigation regarding child support obligations to the mother of his daughter Navy, with his counsel portraying him as financially constrained. Despite some characterizations of Biden as living abroad, he has recently appeared in the United States for media interviews and podcast recordings, indicating his ongoing public engagement amid these legal and financial challenges. Want to make sure you never miss our latest videos? Tap that follow button right now.